How to trade GBPUSD on September 23. Simple tips and trade review for beginners. Back trading plan. How to trade GBPUSD on September 23. Simple tips and trade review for beginners. Mondays. Trade review. GBPUSD 1H chart. The premium article will be available in 000023.09.2025 AM. The premium article will be available in 000023.09.2025 AM. Mondays. Trade review. GBPUSD 1H chart on Monday. The GBPUSD pair also moved higher, rebounding after its late week collapse. Recall that the pound had at least some reasons for falling, which is why its decline was sharper than the euro's and its recovery weaker. On Monday, there were no significant events in either the UK or the US. Speeches by Bank of England's Hugh Pill and Andrew Bailey gave the market no fresh or important information. Thus, fresh articles are available only to premium users. Read analytics in early access. Getting information first. Get best MetaTrader indicators. Profitable expert advisors.